Moving home is one of the most stressful activities that you'll undertake in your life. How much do you sell your house for? How quickly do you need to move? One of the hardest jobs is pricing your own home. Too high and your house will take months to sell. Too low and you could be leaving big money on the table. That's where an estate agent comes in. We know your area, we know the current prices, we know how to sell quickly. We know what's the top whack that you can get for your home. So give us a call now and we can help you determine the value of your property.